We are off by 3 millimeters on the laser line.
I am adjusting the brace now. How does that look?
Hold it right there, perfect plumb.
It's aligned, lock it down.
Angle looks good here. Solid on the no plate, go ahead and lock it down.
The longitudinal backbone forms the structural core, reinforced by these repeating vertical columns and
We need to adjust this side slightly for the stairwell opening.
Okay, I'll move the clamp.
The tape alignment looks correct now.
Feeler gauge slides in smoothly.
Confirmed, the alignment is good.
Rail spacing on the lower section is reading 1250 millimeters. Confirmed. Inputting data now. The alignment is consistent across the base.
Verified. The laser level confirms the straightness. We are good to proceed. The frame height checks out perfectly against the laser reference.
Good. The rail alignment is spot on too.
Laser aligned to the datum point.
Position verified. Good to move to the next section.
The laser aligns perfectly with the front datum point.
Rear right is within tolerance, confirmed with the gauge. This node at the rear corner looks good.
Agreed. The weld consistency is within tolerance.
This weld looks good.
I'm getting a slight deviation on the lower frame.
All right, let's tag that for review.
R32 reading is stable at 4.01. Do you confirm on the schematic?
Confirmed. We are good to sign off on this section.
Path is clear. We are ready for the lift sequence.
Okay, bringing it down slowly now. Watch your clearance on the left.
Okay, easy down on the front left. Contact established. Spirit level shows true. We are good to sign off.
The sheer scale of the double-decker frame is immediately apparent, showcasing the meticulous alignment required for modern coach building.
We're looking for an even application, especially around these weld points. The consistency is crucial.
We need to verify the coating thickness on the upper deck supports.
Agreed. The clearance for the wiring harness is tight right here.